Hi, welcome back to the Bear Making Workshop. Today we're going to make, well, I don't know what we're going to make, because it depends on what's in this box. So I don't know what we're going to make because this is a mystery collaboration. I didn't even know who was going to send me something to make something with until I got the box. So we're just going to open it and go from there. Other makers are participating in this too. I'll post their information down in the description below, links to videos and all that as they post their projects. This is kind of a willy-nilly collaboration that we're doing. But let's figure out what's in this box. If you're watching the video, you've probably seen the thumbnail, you know what comes of all this. But don't spoil it for the rest of us because I have no idea. Wood scraps flow around the corner like that, like a continuous grain box would. So I'm doing that, turning it into what I'm going to call the Shipwreck box. And I still have some ideas to go through for the lid. So we've got the body of the box glued up, well, epoxied up. I just used 5-minute epoxy to put all the joints together. That's going to hold better than any kind of glue, I think. So, I mean, epoxy to epoxy should hold pretty well. I did have a bit of an issue on this piece here. I don't know if you can see where it chipped right there. But that'll be on the bottom in the back corner back here, so it'll be pretty much covered up. Because for the bottom, I'm not sure how I'm going to do the lid yet, but for the bottom I'm going to take this piece of maple and essentially going to cut out a rectangle that this will set down onto, and then it'll have a lip around the outside. And I will probably do something similar with the lid. I don't know if that makes sense, so let's just start doing it and you'll see what I mean as I do it. To the stuff. So I cut all that out on a CNC just because I thought it'd be a little easier and get some practice on using the CNC, but I goofed up my measurements somewhere. As you can see in this corner here, like, it's probably 1/8 of an inch. So I wanted this to sit snug right up against these. I expected a little bit to be off, but not that much. And I don't have the, I also wanted this to stick out a little bit more. So I think we're going to scrap the CNC idea and just do it normal with other tools. Box. See how that wraps around there? Isn't that cool? I mean, as far as boxes go, it's pretty simple construction-wise. Top, bottom, 4 sides. But I didn't want anything too fancy to take away from the cooler elements, like the epoxy that Jacob sent me, with all the bits poking out of it, and just like, I don't know what I would have done if this was any other color. I have no idea what I would have done with it, but with it being blue with a little green in there like it is, it's just pretty much perfect for this. It was, I think this, he might not have known it, but this is what he wanted it to be when he sent it to me. And then got the nice Kraken engraving on the lid. So that's pretty slick. Yeah, so, I don't know, I think that's really all there is to it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, use the button down below to show that you liked it with the thumbs up. Subscribe for future videos, share this video with others that you think you might have liked it, and do all those other normal cool things that help out people that make videos like me. Otherwise, stay safe, stay healthy if you can, and I don't know, yeah, do something. Shipwreck box. Out.